Hey, this is Esther de Sharon de Saint-Germain, and this is this 2 minutes manifestation that I am sharing with you. So I'm going to teach you how to use the same manifestation process that I've been using to manifest my own business and clients and use it for your soul clients. So let's see. I'm channeling the whole thing, so I have no idea if I can do this in 2 minutes. Let's just see if we can do this. Okay, close your eyes, please, and go with your attention to the top of your brain so that I can infuse you with light. And so it's like champagne. It's beautiful with golden specks, and it is really beautiful, almost watery light. It's like there is this beautiful glittery flow of light coming into your face, into your chest, your arms, your hands. We go really fast. Into your belly, all the way through your legs, straight to the center of the earth. Now this beautiful, flowy, fairy kind of light is going to be connected to the light in the center of the earth. And that is fire. And it's all about action and action taking and about showing up and about being really 100% who you really are. So imagine that light that came from the top is now being mixed with the fire that comes from the center of the earth. And it goes up through all the layers of earth and dirt and stone and rock and lava until it reaches your feet, and now you feel a little tug. It's like you're being connected to the earth. And it goes through your legs and your torso and your arms and your fingertips and your face, and now you're completely connected. And now think about the first thing that comes to mind, anything that comes to mind when I say, do you want to have this? So that could be a house or a flower or a friend or a client or a table or just an hour of doing nothing. It's just anything. And try, if you can, because not everybody can, but try to visualize it or to sense it. And if it's hard for you to visualize it, just imagine that it's there anyway. And see if you can make it something like a ball or like any object that is recognizable to you. And invite that object or whatever it is that you see, a person, invite it to join your body. It's like it sort of enters you. And it's like it's become fluid and it wants to go inside of you. And then wherever it has entered your body, your brain or your face, I want you to drop it so that it's in your belly, because that's where your powerhouse is. That is where the true manifestation starts. And whatever it is that you just brought into your body, imagine that it sort of drops into thousands, millions, gazillions little pieces so that it becomes part of your DNA. So now the thing that you love more than anything, the house, the lover, the client, the best-selling book, anything, it has fallen. It's like you drop a cookie in your tea, right? And then it sort of dissolves. So your wish, the thing that you want, is currently being dissolved in your body so that it becomes part of your bloodstream, your sinews, your bones, your intestines, your DNA, your skin. So it's inside of you. Imagine how amazing that is. It's everywhere. And basically, that is your tiny assignment for today, is just to stay with this feeling of You already inhaled it. It's already inside of you. Now, you can just stay with this and just keep focusing on this beautiful feeling of the thing that you thought it was outside of you and now it's inside of you. So you can just stay with that and honor it. But you can also ask anything or anyone to give you a little signal that the thing that you want the most is really out there for you. So if you are religious and you feel connected to Mary or God or Jesus, ask them to show you whatever it is that you want to see. You can ask your ancestors, you can ask Mother Nature, you can ask a muse, spirit, you can ask any entity. And so what you basically say is, hey, I have this thing inside of me that apparently I want more than anything in the world. And I know it feels really good, but there's also some fear that this is just some sort of a mumbo jumbo and it's not real. So show me something that I'm on my way and that it's currently being manifested. And that can be, show me a feather, show me this word or the animal or whatever. And so it's just like, I just need a little bit of a sign so that I feel more confident about this. And so that is basically what you do. So the thing that you want is currently inside of you. You have made an agreement with any entity to show you proof that what you are currently manifesting is actually being manifested. And that's it. So if you open your eyes, oh, now it's 8 minutes, then it's happening right now. Okay, so don't forget to, if you like this, bye.